February sales report and best-selling items. For the month of February, I had 106 sales across all stores. Miss Rhodey 60, Weddings by Rhodey 13, Homeschool Me 10, Rhodey's Kitchen 14, Alma Africa 7, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhodey 0. Best-selling items. A new entry into first place, My Hearts for Your Husband Valentine's Day greeting card was my best-selling product for February. In second place was my Valentine Heart for an Amazing Husband greeting card. Coming in third place was my Valentine's Day Panda Bear greeting card. So as you can see, all of my top 3 best-selling items were Valentine's Day related products. The rest of my sales included other greeting cards, t-shirts, and license plate covers. Honorable mentions. This month, I sold my first personalized cornhole set. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 7 referrals, 2 wedding signs, 2 romantic-themed pillows, 2 pairs of leggings, and a personalized Father's Day plaque. Takeaways. I noticed that I am beginning to sell Father's Day holiday items early on. One of my referrals was a Father's Day gift, and I sold a few Father's Day cards this month. You can help promote my Earrings by Rhodey store. So you can help promote that store by becoming a Zazzle affiliate, where you will make 15% of each sale. I will post a link in the description. Thank you for watching.